Hi everyone, I am Abishake, final year AC, Doctor Engineering Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. I want to share a topic on fast food. Mainly, it's a very important food for every person. We are liking the food because it will very tasty. We will see how the fast food is preparing and what are all the materials they are adding in the sources of fast food, that is maida, we will see how it is made. I will come to our society for India, mainly in the Second World War, we don't have enough food for people. So they go for an horse, horse is eating meat mainly because that food, the maida, the horse is eating. So the people think that why we not go for food like maida food. They prepared food that they will named as an parota. Mainly the peoples, most of the peoples are eating this food. They don't know what the problem it will cause effects. I want to tell you one important thing is allows in chemical word. There is an agent, it's a bleaching agent. Bleaching agent. The bleaching agent we will eat means it will cause blood pressure as well as blood pressure in the small ages like 5, 6, 7. In the age of 5, 6, 7 they will surely affected. Many of the people are affected by this diabetes. They don't know why we are affected by this problem. But the main thing is the researchers find that parota is main problematic thing. So please avoid the parota and the bleaching agent. It will cause the wastage of the wheat. Mainly the wastage of the wheat. That's the last stage. We will all the things we will remove from the wheat. We will pour into outside. But the outside thing we will take and we will add the alloxin plus the alloxin we will add. It will come as a powder stage called maida. So please avoid to eat fast food. Thank you.